In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with Google Sites. Google Sites is a fantastic tool, especially for beginners, as it allows you to create a professional looking website with ease, no coding required. So without further ado, let's dive into this easy and quick tutorial. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Sites. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in sitesgoogle.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Google Sites, a platform integrated with the Google Workspace suite of applications. It's an intuitive interface that's perfect for creating stunning web pages. Next, you'll want to click on the template gallery. You'll see this option near the top of the page. Google Sites offers a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from, which can dramatically speed up the creation process. Templates range from business profiles to personal portfolios, accommodating all kinds of projects you might have. By using a template, you gain a strong head start as it presets some of the design work for you, while still allowing plenty of room for customization. As you proceed, browse through the available templates. Take your time to explore the different styles and layouts to find one that suits the purpose of your website. Whether you need a clean, minimal design or something more vibrant and interactive, you will find a template that meets your needs. Each template comes with its own set of unique features and formatting that can complement your site's content perfectly. For this tutorial, let's say you're starting a website for a new restaurant. In this scenario, click on the restaurant template, as it's one specifically designed for that business type. This particular template provides sections that are ideal for showcasing menu items, location details, and customer reviews. You'll notice that it's already structured in a way that helps potential customers easily find the information they're looking for. Now that you've selected your template, you can begin to edit it to your liking. This is where the creative fun begins. You can adjust the text, fonts, colors, and images to reflect your brand's identity. Make sure to customize each element to make your website stand out and feel unique. You can add your own images, or choose from Google's gallery. You can also embed additional gadgets or widgets if needed, making your website not only informative but engaging as well. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can create a beautiful and functional website using Google Sites. It's an easy, efficient way to establish your online presence, whether for personal use or business purposes. Remember, today's online presence plays a huge role in how others perceive your brand, so take your time to refine and perfect your site. Thanks for joining me today, and happy site building.